What if we told you a simple snack led to one of the greatest kitchen inventions? In 1945, Percy Spencer, an engineer working for Raytheon, was testing a magnetron, a device used in radar systems. As he stood near the magnetron, he noticed the candy bar in his pocket had melted. Intrigued, Spencer experimented with popcorn kernels and an egg, both of which reacted dramatically to the microwaves. Realizing the potential, Spencer and his team developed the first microwave oven, initially called the Radarange. This accidental discovery revolutionized cooking, making it faster and more convenient, and forever changed how we prepare food.